This access control system was developed by Ricardo Gonzaga with guidance from Professor Sean Robinson as part of the System Management and Cybersecurity Course in the IoT Internet of Things subject. The intention of this work is to demonstrate the capacity that a Raspberry Pi system together with its accessories can deliver to the end user. In addition to the Raspberry Pi microcomputer, a movement engine with precision, LEDs, distance meter approximation, webcam, and several integrated control modules were used here, in addition to the Python language used in the development of the programming code. Get to know the access control, a development system thinking about the environment, having been created from reused materials. The system consists of a tower where the equipment was installed so that access to the controlled environment is granted or not. It works with facial recognition, being very easy to operate. Just register the user, capture the images for the database, train the system, and it's ready to be used. The access control system comes with the following external accessories: a wireless keyboard and mouse, two external power supplies used to power the Raspberry Pi microcomputer and other auxiliary systems, as well as an HDMI connection, which allows access to turn on the system on a monitor, for user registration and image capture functions. When plugging the system into an electrical power source and the monitor, the user will be taken to the welcome screen. Just double-click on the icon indicated on the screen to start. The interactive menu will guide the user through the available system options. By typing 1 plus enter, the user enters the menu that will allow to list the users of the system, as well as to register a new user, delete a user, capture the user's images to the database. By typing 2, the user will be taken to the system training process, which will allow the program to learn to recognize a face. Use 3 to be able to test and validate user recognition. By pressing the number 4, the user starts the access control function through facial recognition. To exit the system, use option number 5. The access control function through facial recognition requires the user to be up to a maximum of 60 centimeters away from the webcam. The system will perform facial recognition automatically, and if the user is accepted, it will open the arm gate and send a photo to a predefined group in the Telegram app, along with user information and date time. To get out of this routine, just position your hand approximately 7 centimeters from the distance meter. In this video, it is possible to visualize the operation of the access control system with facial recognition, which allowed access to the user.